Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we talk about troubleshooting a cloud solution part 1. CompTI Cloud plus troubleshooting a cloud solution part 1. Introduction. Welcome to the troubleshooting a cloud solution part 1 practice lab. In this module, you will be provided with the instruction and devices needed to develop your hands-on skills. Learning outcomes. In this module, we'll complete the following exercises. Diagnosing and troubleshooting OpenStack services. After completing this lab, we'll be able to diagnose OpenStack Nova service issue, OpenStack Neutron service issue, Cinder service issue, LAN service issue, and Keystone service issue. Okay. During this session, we'll have access to the following lab configuration, which is this: the PLAB management, deploy, controller, compute, and storage. Exercise 1: Diagnosing and Troubleshooting OpenStack Services. Ansible is a toolset developed based on OpenStack software tools. Ansible is targeted at being scalable and user-friendly while deploying production environments. And Ansible script is organized into units called playbooks. Each playbook support a specific server configuration or a specific role. OpenStack services use the standard logging levels below is the brief introduction about when to use each log level while troubleshooting the issues in an OpenStack deployment. Debug. Show all the logs that were collected in the infrastructure. Due to the amount of information that is collected, it is not recommended log level in a production environment. Info provides information about actions that were performed successfully in the environment. For example, the successful starting or stopping of services. Warning indicates that there might be system issues. The administrator should implement preventive measures. Error. An error has occurred in the infrastructure, and an administrator must research the event to rectify the error to ensure the functionality of the OpenStack environment. Critical. An error has occurred in the OpenStack infrastructure which may cause the system to become unstable. Immediate resolution of this critical error is crucial. In this exercise, we learn to diagnose and troubleshoot the various OpenStack services. After completing this lab, you will be able to diagnose OpenStack Nova service issues, Neutron service issues, Cinder service issues, Stack LAN service issues, and Keystone service issues. Devices that we can use is the PLAB management, deploy, controller, compute, and storage. I already powered it on. Then last one, diagnose OpenStack Nova service issue. The Nova service issue The Nova service provides access to computing resources in the OpenStack environment. It is important to review the log files to ensure that the service is functioning correctly, or if there are errors in the infrastructure, the log files can be analyzed to find the cause of this error. In this task, you will access various log files associated with the OpenStack Nova service. Okay, connect. We're already connected. Then open. We just deploy and open. Okay, we log in as root. Enter password. And then string connection to PLAB deploy using the PTY application. Establish the SSH connection. PLAB controller from PLAB deploy, type the following command. And then enter. To determine the name of the Nova container, type the following command. and then enter. The name of Nova container can be seen. And this one, Nova container, Nova API container. Okay, this one. Oh, sorry, Nova container. This one, Nova API container. And then type the following command on the terminal to access the Nova container. Then enter. Okay. Try Nova API container. Okay. It shows the command has been typed to access Nova container. In the Nova container terminal, type the following command. Then enter. Okay. Source open RC. Displaying the command was successfully executed. Maximize the terminal by clicking the box in the right hand corner. After that, okay, maximize type the following command in the terminal. Alright, piston, and then next, metadata. Oh, I see. Nova API container. And put this, copy this one, and metadata.log. Enter. Okay. Typing the command. The log of a Nova API method can be seen on this one, metadata. Log file of Nova API method is displayed on a Nova container. This one. Press Q to quit the view of a Nova metadata log. Huh? Okay, and then type the following command. And then enter. Alright. Place. In the Nova container, press Q to exit the log file of Nova conductor. This one Nova conductor. Uh, Press Q again. Q. And then type the following command to open the log file metadata. Okay, then enter. Okay, metadata. Yeah, metadata WSGI log. Metadata WSGI log. The log of metadata W can be seen. And this one. Command to open the log file of Nova metadata WSGI is typed in on the Nova container. The logs of Nova metadata WSGI can be seen. Okay, metadata is displayed on the Nova container. Press Q to exit out of Nova metadata WSGI log file view. And Q again. And then in the Nova container, type the following command to open the log file of Nova Spice HTML5 proxy. And then enter. Alright. Log file Nova Spice HTML5 proxy is typed in the Nova container. The logs of Nova Spice HTML5 can be seen. Then press Q again to exit out of Nova Spice HTML5 proxy log file view. Q. And the Nova container, type the following command to open the log file of Nova API OS compute. Compute and enter. Okay. The logs of Nova API OS compute can be seen. This one. Press Q to exit. Again, exit na naman. Nova API Q. To view the rest of the log files for the Nova container, step 23 to step 25 can be repeated for the following services. Okay. API Manage Scheduler. Type the following command in the terminal to end the connection of Nova container. Exit. Ouch. Okay. Task 2. Diagnose the OpenStack Neutron service issue. The Neutron services in an OpenStack environment delivers networking services to it ensure network communication. Analyzing the log files will be useful if network communication errors occur in the environment. In this task, you will access various log files associated with the OpenStack Neutron service. Step 1. Ensure that you are still connected to the terminal from the previous task. To determine the name of the Neutron container, type the following command. Okay. It shows a command has been typed to determine the name of Neutron container. The name of Neutron container can be seen. Neutron container, where are you? Ayun, Neutron server. Ay, this one, the Neutron server container, okay. Type the following command on the terminal to access Neutron container. Alright, and then enter. Press enter, and then in the neutron container terminal, type the following command: source open RC. Enter. Displaying the command was successfully executed. In a neutron container, type the following command to open the log file of neutron server. And then enter. Okay. The logs of neutron server can be seen. Log file neutron server is displayed on neutron container. Press Q to exit of the neutron log file view. Type the following command to close the connection to the neutron container. Exit. And then enter. Okay. Task 3. Diagnosing OpenStack Cinder Service. The Cinder Service is an OpenStack environment, provides block storage. Analyzing the log files will be helpful when troubleshooting storage errors in the environment. In this task, you will access various log files associated with the OpenStack Cinder Service. Okay, step 1. Ensure that you are still connected to the terminal from the previous task. Determine the name of the Cinder container. Type the following command. Then enter. Okay, Cinder container is has been seen. Type the following command on the terminal to access the Cinder container. Enter. And then type source open RC. In the Cinder container, type the following command to open the log files of Cinder API. The log of the Cinder API can be seen. Press Q to exit of the Cinder log file view. Type the following command to close the connection to the Cinder container. Exit. Okay, keep the terminal open for the next task. Task 4. Diagnose OpenStack glance service issues. The glance service provides discovering, registering, and retrieving images in the OpenStack environment. If errors occur with image retrieval, analyzing the log files will be useful in troubleshooting tool. In the task, you will access various log files associated with the OpenStack glance service. Step 1. Ensure that you're still connected to the terminal from the previous task. To determine the name of the glance container, type the following command. Enter. Okay. The glance. Okay, glance container has been seen. Glance container, then copy this one, put it right here, paste it, and then enter. Okay. In the glance container terminal, type the following command. Then enter. In the Glance container, type the following command to open the log file of Glance API. Then enter. The logs of Glance API can be seen. Press Q to exit out of the Glance log file view. Q. And then type the following command to close the connection of the Glance container. Exit. Okay, keep the terminal open for the next task. Task 5. Diagnose OpenStack Keystone Service. The Keystone Service provides client authentication, service discovery, distributed multi-project access, and auditing functionality in the OpenStack environment. In this task, you will access the Keystone log file associated with the Keystone Service. Step 1. Ensure that you are still connected to the terminal from the previous task. To determine the name of the Keystone container, type the following command. Then enter. The name of Keystone container can be seen. Keystone, where are you? Yeah, that one. Keystone container. The following command on the terminal access on the Keystone container, then copy this and paste it here, and then enter. And copy this one, then enter. Open RC and the Keystone container, type the following command, then enter. Alright. The logs of the Keystone that log can be seen. Press Q to exit of the Keystone log file view. Q. Type the following command to close connection to the Keystone container. Exit. Okay. And then screenshot. Take a screenshot. Okay. Did you complete all the lab steps? Okay. Completed. Then next. Okay. Well done. You have completed the troubleshooting cloud solution part 1 practice lab. Okay. Number question. Why is not advisable to use the debug lagging level in the production environment? Hmm, too much information of the error will be displayed. Too many wires. Okay. What is not advisable to use the debug lagging level in rec environment? Too much information with the error will be displayed. Okay, number 3 question. Which service will the administrator be troubleshooting of the log files of the Novo service are viewed in an OpenStack environment? Yes, excuse me. Back to the video. Computing service in an OpenStack environment. Okay, what's the question again? Which service will the administrator be troubleshooting if the log files of the Nova service are viewed in an OpenStack environment? Computing service in an OpenStack environment. Okay. Number four question. Which command can be used to view the log files of the services? Hmm. Less LES. Okay. Submit report. Done with the question number four. Action item. Please ensure you have completed all the items submitting your report and submit report. And yes, click here. Yes, save as PDF. Then save. Hmm. Troubleshooting a cloud solution part 1. Okay. Okay. It's back. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's done. Summary. In this module, complete the following task. Okay, exercise diagnosing, troubleshooting OpenStack services. After completing this lab, you'll be able to diagnose OpenStack Nova service issue, Stack Neutron, OpenStack Neutron service issue, OpenStack Cinder service issue, OpenStack LAN service issue, diagnose OpenStack Keystone service issue. Okay, we're all done here. Thank you for watching this video, Troubleshooting a Cloud Solution Part 1. See you on the next video. And we're gonna do the troubleshooting part 2. Just keep in touch and, just stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.